Does anybody know what the blockhead act consists of? You're gonna find out. Gotta get it wet first, right, ladies? Whoa, of course. Now, oh! Oh, I think that one's in. Oh, yeah. Woo! Should I go for 2?
Yeah! What's your real gun?
Oh, man. Who wants a souvenir?
Like grandma's.
Yeah, she put them.
Pull it out. Pull it out. What? Grab it.
He took it from like here to like up here.
In case you guys don't know what this is, I call it a 1080. Because about 1080 nails in there. Sing along, maybe even dance.
Mr. Taliman, Kalini Banana. Mr. Taliman, Kalini Banana.
That's a whole new level. I don't know if I can even put what I saw tonight on YouTube because of the policies.
That's true. You probably can't put what you saw on
Have you used one of these before? Well, here, I'll take the safety off. It's fucking live, ladies and gentlemen. Should we start with a little sample? Woo!
What was his name in there?
Can everybody see this?
Don't dirty the shot up.
Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Is there anybody else that wants that use that stapler before I'm pulling these things?
Who wants to use it?
I got the whole stage now. I got a bloody lip. Where are you putting it?
On his long nipples.
There?
That's the start. Who's next?
Count of 3.
Squeeze it. There you go. Be careful. I'm already sharp.
He's like,
Where should I put this one?
yeah, he's working.
No, not this.
I mean, if you blur it out, yeah.
maybe. I'll show you some crazy stuff, but I don't know a lot. I'm gonna be showing that craziest stuff on my vlog. That's a little bit too crazy for me.
You are in the shape of my nut, right?
Wait. We're gonna staple these nuts for $50. $50 staple these. $50. If you would have known this man will do for 100, you're fucked in the head.
Ooh, that one right there. There's even blood on it. And yeah, and you really went ham with that one. Oh, that one looked like it probably went through something. It shouldn't have. Oh. Yeah, look. Jackpot! When did you start doing this?
Why?
No, when?
I don't know, a while ago. I've been doing fucked up shit to myself since I was a young child.
Years.
Years, yeah. That's why I became a piercer, was because I love what you can do to the body and have it bounce back from.
Yeah, you put the dirtiest thing I could ever think of on your, through a needle into your body.